I'm going to show you how to back up your Crimson Desert save files. So first you want to right click on the start button, open up the run, and here you want to type %sign local updata %sign and press OK. Now you want to look for Pearl Abyss folder, which is this one right here. Double click on it, open up the CD folder, then the save, and then the folder with your Steam ID number, which is this one. Now you want to basically copy all the slot folders, everything you have here. You can also copy the Steam AutoCloud, but it's not necessary. You can just copy these folders and then go to your desktop or anywhere and basically save them in a backup folder or whatever you can call it, and paste the folders here. Inside these slots you should find a lobby and save file, and these are your save files that you can come back to this directory and paste them again here. And now you've created the backup. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.